Oh man, how do I explain something real quick? I know by my voice, I sound a little drunk, don't I? Sound a little intoxicated. I know. I speak like it's not because I've been drinking. It's because I have cerebral palsy. If you don't know what cerebral palsy means, it means I really suck at building model airplanes. Oh, I'm terrible. My friends look at the models I build. They're like, Will, what kind of airplane is that? That one shot down. But the glue smells great, so I really don't care. All right. Actually, what CP means is I'm the only member of my family who's an Olympian. Thanks. I got a silver medal. I lost to a blind kid in archery, but hey. He was Native American. They're good at that so couple of you look kind of freaked out. I hope you know I'm going to be retarded all night long. I hope you know this. Unless you got a cure or a leprechaun, we are all screwed. So go ahead, sit back, laugh it up. I'm the only one offended. So so funny after my shows, people always say nice things. They're like, oh, you have a disability, but you speak so well. Oh, you have CP, but you act so normal. Like, I'm going to get up here and act as disabled as possible.